Hello dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Don't give up. The beginning of life is always the hardest. Life rewards those who work hard at it. This is Nazrul, your friend from Bangladesh. I hope all of my friends are well and enjoy the listening speaking English. Today I am here for sharing with you. The topic is to achieve big goals. Start with small habits. Dear friends, I have three key points I will discuss here. That's help you to learn how can you adopt the habits and help in achieving a big goals. So let's move forward. Number one. First is identify the small habits that you can inculcate easily in your life. Dear friends, it is most important things is to identify what small habits can we inculcate in your life, which ultimately help you achieving your goals. Let's move forward. Number two. To do the small habits on regular basis or daily basis. It is very important. It is very important to do the small habits on regular basis or daily basis. No matter that you habits inculcated in your life are big or small, we should make it at a point to do them on daily basis or regular basis. Let's move forward. Number three. Hold steady for a long time. Dear friends, plan systematically and stay steady for a long time on your small habits, ultimately which will help you to achieve big goals in your life. Dear friends, that's all from today. Keep watching, keep supporting. Allah Hafiz.